he realized that there are more than 1,734 tourism-based villages emerging in Indonesia. But unfortunately, there are only 20% of them categorized as developed. But on the other hand, there are 4 villages considered as top 100 sustainable development worldwide. Those information are showing us that there are a huge opportunity for villages to develop their village through tourism-based village development. But the existing solution is not perfect yet. There are a lot of things to be done. And based on our research, we found 3 main obstacles that hindered village to progress. The first obstacle is about village exposure, about marketing, branding, and promotion. And the second one is about resource management. And the third obstacle is about lack of facilities development. Therefore, we created Dosoon. Dosoon is tourism-based village development platform. By connecting people, culture, and nature, we are provide an impactful trip to village experiences and invite people to collaborate together on sustainable village development projects. And we are trying to empower village to overcome their complicated problems. The problem that we already know about unemployment, poor population, and even work opportunities, lack of facilities development, and many other problems following them. And we choose to take a step starting our journey with 2 main solutions. The first solution is DoTour, and the second one is DoGether.
So the first solution, DoTour. DoTour is basically an impactful trip to village activities that allow tourists to interact with locals, understand the cultures, while enjoying the nature. The benefits that we are hoping to give to the village are: we are hope to increase people awareness toward the village existency, and also give the village new source of income and insight. Our progress so far for DoTour is we already run uh, one time pilot trip to Lebak Muncang, and we are currently have 4 villages in partnership. So after we run our pilot project, then some of our customers give us a feedback that what if Dosoon creates something that more than just an ordinary trip, but also really give the benefits for the village itself. So that's why we created DoGether. DoGether is an open collaboration platform that invites various parties to involve together in sustainable village developments. The goals are: we hope to give the villages sustainable developments and try to solve various problems there, and also maximize the village's potential. So for DoGether, our progress so far, recently we're just having a partnership with Santara Raya to distribute red rice from Banyumas farmer using IVOS cultivations. And we're targeting to sell 500 pieces of red rice.
To provide our services together and DoTour, we are using a website as the main platform for it. And currently we actually have published it, so you can basically access it, but it's still actually in the development. So lots of features are not available right now, but we are trying as fast as we can to make it done, so people can access it and we can start using it as our main fund. And what makes us different? Basically, we are trying to create impact from 3 perspectives, from 3 sides, from 3 aspects. First is the people, or the social side, and also the culture and nature. So we want to preserve those. We want to bring those value to tourists, and we also want to preserve it for the village, right? And also we are sustainable service providers, tourism service providers. basically sustainable tourism or any alternate tourism currently is increasing in trend because the usual tourism is getting saturated right now. For the market size, we actually have three target markets from two of our services. The first one is the B2C, and it's the local tourists basically. And we are focusing on local tourists that are looking for something new, something different in tourism, right? If they want to learn something new, to explore something new, uh, that's our market. And also for the B2B, we are targeting private schools because private schools tend to have more uh, trip field trip activities in a year rather than uh, public schools, right? Because they have the budget for it. And also both of them uh, will eventually come to the village itself, right? So we'll have a partner, village partner. So we are focusing for developing, and for the trip we are currently focusing on the tourism-based village only, and it's only going to be the already developed one. So we can execute our services properly. And yeah, we are currently still going to develop it more and more to make the developed tourism village keep getting better, right? And also for the business model, it's very simple actually. We take a percentage from our trip, of course. And for the development projects, actually it depends. It really depends on what type of projects we are going to have. For our first project, actually we are taking a margin from it because we are helping uh, to distribute, right? So yeah, we will take a percentage from it.
Profit projection DoTour with around 2 trips each month and more than 300 egg for tourists each year. We calculate that in the first year we totally earn 100 million rupiah, and the fourth year we earn totally 900 million rupiah. Next. For Dosoon projection in DoTour with minimum to village in the first year, we totally earn about 200 million rupiah in the first year and totally 400 million rupiah in the last year. Sorry, in the fourth year. Next. And meet our support team. Faisal as CEO, Deo as finance, Francisca as operation, Wahyu Zuhri as operation, Glinito as marketing, and Fauzan Aliafi as marketing. Next. So the fund that we need is around 200 million rupiah with subject marketing for branding, operation for develop website, R&D to seek new village, order for operational costs. Next. Next. So looking forward to our partnership. Thank you.